What's up guys, Pressy Home here, back for another video. Today we're going to talk about whether it's worth to get an AirPods in 2018. A lot of guys in the internet might be searching for whether you want to buy this. A lot of people will say I want to buy the Gear Icon X on Samsung because it's the latest model. Some people buy let's buy the Google earbuds. Maybe although it's expensive, maybe you can get it. A lot of people say Google earbuds not good. Maybe take the AirPods because it's easier to carry. So as always open the box to check everything, all those junk files are right over there, and then the AirPods just right in front of you. You open it, connect to the phone, simple. However, if the process is using in the Android, it will be a different process. You have to leave it on, hold here for 15 seconds until this gray color thing came out, and only you connect. And this will affect the problem if you want to connect iPhone again. This is the problem. Now, is it worth to buy? We weren't sure about that because this one is just already here with us for 2 years already, and yeah, it's 2018, so it's 2 years. And the problem with this one is that it's easy to lose because why you always drop every time? You got us of this because you drop one, then that's the end. You can replace both of them at the same time. So let me put it back. Okay, great. I'll close it up. And if it's for me, I think it's worth it because because it's easy to open everything. See the green LED flash, it's very great. But if Apple release bad power mats and then suddenly they're like, oh, we sell power mats, so we sell this wireless for the same price, and then you were like, what? I just bought it for that price. But no, actually this is actually selling at cheap price right now. So I think Apple's might be releasing a new AirPods soon. Maybe one that comes with the iPad Pro, I think. So I'm not sure. Actually, I'll show you the price. Here is 649. It was supposed to be selling at 800 and it's dropped to 649. So I was before in a hard star, 4-star because it's easy to lose. The pictures, everything, earbuds, everything. Connect to them. See the iPhone X now. Actually, it's because it's easy to connect. It's magical. However, it's using that one chip. It's only used by one chip. But I can tell you that the Apple Series 4 and Series 3 are using the latest W2 or W3 chips, which is disappointed. But overall, this one is fine. The performance is great. You can listen it up to 5 hours. It's true, but no one's gonna listen songs up to 5 hours straight, which is kind of weird. Actually, most people only can listen up to 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and then they have to rest their ear, or else you will cause death. But the wireless earphones is pretty more worth it. And actually, if you use an iPhone 7 or 8 or 8 Plus or maybe iPhone 10 or the 10s, it's more responsive to connect. However, I think it's more responsive to connect if you're using an iPhone 6 or 5s, if you're using iOS 12, and you will connect very fast compared to iOS 11. And if it's iPhone 10, iPhone 10s, it will be very fast just because it has the A12 and A11 Bionic chip. But that doesn't matter because due to this, it has the oldest W1 chip, and the Apple Series 3 has the Series 3 chip. And yeah, this causes a reason people say it's not worth it. But if you want something that's easy and light and easy to do it, then probably this will be the best option. I had no choice already because the Gear Icon X came out like 6 months ago and it's too expensive than this. And it's even smaller than this. It doesn't have the one long neck down there. It's connected to the charger. One small one. I tell you, you're gonna lose any time if you drop it. However, this one, a YouTuber named Everything Ever Pro, he's able to find this is actually water resistant, but it's better don't say it's water resistant. Later you cause any water damage to it, and yeah, it will cause water damage, maybe cause explosion. And the AirPod, it's great. Actually, the clinch you can see it's a little bit over. I think it wouldn't be a very good in the end. But overall performance is great, I would say. And because in the box they should have add one more is a lightning. I actually taken out for charge to him because it's already with me for a longer year. And Yeah, and because the Taiwan chip, because the problem with the Taiwan chip is that it sometimes connect very slow, but because it's already connected, it's connect very fast. So as you see, yeah, see you came out slowly. Of course, my name is Presley, and yeah, that's it. So if you want to buy it, yes, it's worth it because AirPods might not be coming out in the future, and I hope you guys could subscribe to my channel and at least a good thumbs up, and my expectation maybe more subscribers, or at least 1,000 subscribers, and I hope that you can subscribe so I can make more videos on this, and maybe Apple might release a new iOS 12 update. I will upload a video soon, and most importantly, peace out.